Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how we can use the temporary emails to get unlimited access of any AI tool. So that tool name is tempmail.org. Using this, you have the temporary email. So suppose you want to create the account in any tool. Now you have that tool and suppose this tool have the limited access of 50 tokens for per email. So you can log in into this tool using that temp email address. Once you use your all tokens, so you can regenerate the emails. Like you just need to click on the change here and you can regenerate the email. Now let's click on change email. We have new email, just copy this, go here. Now click on the sign up, paste your email ID here and enter the password that you like. So I'm going to use here the capital and click on sign up. Now if you see verify your account, so go to the temp email, scroll down and wait some seconds and you will receive the code here. You can see we have the verification code. Copy that code like this. You can use this trick in any account and verify this. Account successfully verified. Fantastic. Now you can use that tool. So this trick is not about that tool. You can use this trick in any tool. So you can have unlimited access of any tool. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.